In this video, I want to talk about, can you learn Qi Gong by yourself? I want to talk about, yes, you can, basically, but I want to talk about my experience of that as well. So let's jump deeper into this and have a look at the page that I'm talking about. Can you learn Qi Gong by yourself? Yes, you can learn Qi Gong by yourself, especially if you begin with simple movements and a gentle daily routine. That is the key. It's a gentle daily routine. Many people start at home using videos or guided resources. This can help you become familiar with the movements and begin building consistency in a comfortable environment. However, there's a but there. However, learning on your own can sometimes lead to small habits in posture or breathing that are difficult to notice without guidance. Even occasional support from a teacher can help you refine your practice, soften unnecessary tension, and deepen your understanding. A balanced approach is often best. You can begin at your own pace and then gradually add guidance as your practice develops. That's important. So I started with a teacher going into live classes, and then my practice actually became deeper when I was doing it online. Not just to live classes, but on-demand classes as well, because I could really feel the changes in my body, and that was important. And then when I started to train to become an instructor, I was doing it 4 or 5 times a week, hour classes in my healing room that I transmit the live Qi Gong classes from, and that really did start to motor the change in my body, which was amazing, absolutely amazing. So you can do that too, but usually you need some support, I would say, unless you're really, really strong. I wasn't strong enough to do that, but if you're really, really strong, you can do this on your own. You can try the Bright Beans Academy for free on your own to do it, start your practice on your own. You've got lots of resources there that you can take up, but I needed guidance. And there's also a very, very reasonably priced investment to do the online Qi Gong classes at the Bright Beans Academy. So that's my take on it. But let's look at, if you want to go further with Qi Gong, let's look at some of the options on this page that you can click through in the descriptions of this video. Qi Gong for Beginners, a complete guide to energy, health and inner balance. That's a great article to teach you about what Qi Gong is. What is it? You're beginning with Qi Gong, right? So you want to learn what it's going to do for you. You want to know whether you're going to want to invest your time in this, right? That's important. There's also the healing power of Qi Gong, ancient practice and modern benefits. Some of the healing that's happened with me, I fractured my elbow and my collarbone in a motorbike accident when I was very much younger. It used to ache in the cold. Now that achiness is gone. It's not because I'm staying warmer, because we still get cold weather here. It's because I've healed the bones properly with the tapping that we do. And also there's live online Korean Qi Gong classes that you can take at the Bright Beans Academy. So you just click the link through and you can join us every Thursday evenings at 7 p.m. and Sunday mornings at 11 a.m. They broadcast live with the real teacher, that's me at this point in time. So I'm taking these classes every week, twice a week. And if you do that, then your practice will motor and you'll start to feel the benefits very, very quickly. But also there's a free option, as I said, in the Bright Beans Academy. All you need to do is click the link, go through to the Bright Beans Academy. You can find the free membership where you'll be guided via email and you'll have things to do every day to do with Qi Gong, obviously. So your choice, really, but you can practice it for yourself if you want to. But my recommendation would be guidance to help you stay on track with your Qi Gong practice. I look forward to connecting with you in the next video. Till then, be well and keep shining.